Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. In this week I will show you what has happened during this week. Was there any kind of pattern that has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, inside the gold membership, and also how the price has behaved, and if there is any potential future pattern that has been formed with the Harmonic scanner. Is it detected that is potentially successful? But we'll see how's that going. First of all, this week there was a holiday. It was Merry Christmas this week, so if you are celebrating, then Happy Christmas. And for the next week we will have a new year, so there is less volatility. This week there was less volatility, and also there was less symbols available for trading. I have checked also the all notification that has been shared with me from the Harmonic scanner over the Telegram. There was no significant pattern that has been detected that is in line with the analysis I am always using to detect, first of all, potential successful pattern and then following the next steps that makes the technical analysis to confirm is the bad pattern in line with the technical analysis. Now, first of all, whenever you are here with the Harmonic scanner, first here you have a chart in the upper right corner. You have a chart where you can see the current what is the status of this symbol. You can see GBP against the Australian dollar. I have a 4-hour time frame, I have a candlesticks visible chart, and here I have a floating window which shows me or hides all the patterns that are currently available here. I will reload this one so you can see what this Harmonic scanner has detected for this symbol on the 4-hour time frame, which patterns has been detected. And you can see there are 3 of them: Bat, Crab and Cypher. This small window shows you all patterns that are currently detected by the scanner on the 4-hour time frame and on this symbol. If you would like to remove all of these, you can see you can click this button so you can have a clean chart. But if you would like to have only one, simply go here, for example, for the bat pattern, click show, and only this pattern will show here on the chart. And then you can also make some kind of a technical analysis or any analysis, add any kind of an indicator to increase the technical analysis and to check is this pattern that has been detected in line with the analysis in order to start trading. Now, first of all, have always in mind that Harmonic scanner will not give you ultimate pattern ready for trading, because it is always advisable that you make your own analysis. Do not rely only on Harmonic scanner, because he detects the pattern based on some of criteria that is inside the code, and then it is up to you to decide, will you simply blindly follow this pattern, or you will make some kind of analysis that you have with the indicators or support and resistance levels, and then make your own decision. First of all, I always make additional technical analysis. First of all, check is this pattern in line with the trend. For example, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame we are here in the uptrend. So if this is a bullish bad pattern, this will be the first step to continue analyzing. If it is bearish, for example, this one is a bearish because we have here a red arrow shows me that the prices potentially will go down, then I skip this one because I do not want to follow any kind of pattern that is against the trend, because the momentum is showing that the price should continue to move to the higher price levels. If the first filter has been done and it has passed, for example, if we have, just for example, let's take this Cypher. This is a potential. Okay, this one is not complete. It is not complete because the C point has been reached, the D point has still not been reached. Let's go here inside the filter and only check this one. Just a minute. Successful support failed. Okay, just a minute. I would like to have only successful. Remove this one. Unknown. Remove this one. You can also have you can use settings and filters for the chart, and you can remove this support and the resistance levels. But we can see that here currently we have also here unfinished pattern, which means this cipher has not been completed, so there is the D point has not been reached. Now, if I take here inside notification, let's get to this another one. For example, let's take this one. Okay, let's take this one as an example. Here we do not have a clean trend because we have the price going sideways, so I would also skip this one. But for example, let's make some kind of a small analysis. If this one, for example, this is a small downtrend and this is a bearish bad pattern that has been formed on the chart, indicating that there is a potential the price could go down. First target is here, second target is here, and we can see that the price has reached a potential reversal zone. This is the entry level, this is the stop loss, and the price has almost reached the stop loss. It did not completely reach, and the price continued to move in the direction of this bad pattern. So we have here downtrend, we have a bearish bad pattern has been formed. So this is the first filter. Then I can make the technical analysis, which means I put here support and resistance levels around this area, so I can see how the price is behaving. Is the price respecting the support and the resistance levels, and also is the entry level, for example, a stop loss, and also the profit 1, profit 2 target are in line with the technical analysis. So for example, I will quickly put this one here as support and the resistance levels on the chart, just to quickly see how the price is behaving around this area, and is it in line with the technical analysis, which means is the entry level at a good position, is the profit 1 at a good position, and profit 2 at a good position. Now, after the first filter has been passed, so we have a downtrend, we have a bearish bad pattern formed on the chart. Second one is technical analysis. So I can see that this is the resistance level where I'm expecting that the price could go, and the price has reached that. I would simply move slightly above that, this stop loss, because we can see in the past the price is bouncing back up, going with the wicks to the upper side, so there is a slight chance that the price could go above that. After that, we can see the price has respected this resistance and continue to fall down, where the first support level was here and it has been broken. Below that, the first take profit is also at the resistance, at the support level, which is great. So this bearish pattern that has been detected with the Harmonic SAP scanner has detected that the first target should be here. So if there is a first target reach, in this case it is, I would move stop loss just below the entry level, just in case if the price goes against me, I will get out from this trade with a profit instead of loss. And then we can see if the next target will be below here. If the price makes a bearish breakout going below this support level, we can see that usually the price reaches this area of this support. We can see after the price formed this bearish breakout, it reaches goes here, goes here, goes here, goes here, goes here. So I would move this one as a take profit 2 slightly here, because if the price goes below this support level, it will for sure reach this area of support. So instead of waiting for the price to go even more down, reaching here, I would slightly move take profit up to here. So this would be the next step I will do. And after that, if the price is behaving as it is right now, I would continue with this trade. And for now, as it looks, it would be a successful, because I would reach first take profit, and we'll see how the price will behave next week for the second take profit. Will reach, or it will go above and reach my stop loss, which will make this trade go out from the market, and it will go with the small profit. So we will see how the price behaves next week. Now let's see how the price is behaving in this one. We have here a monitor, so this is Harmonic SAP second tab, where we can also make some kind of analysis. Here inside the table you have all the patterns that you have selected with the time frame, with the symbol and the date and the risk reward ratio. Here on the upper side you have settings and the security. Inside the settings you have a settings where you can select which time frame you would like to follow with asset classes, which pattern. In my case I have selected only bad pattern, so in this table I have only bad pattern visible. Then you have a security where you can go in more details and select which symbol you would like to follow, and you can see I have selected all of these that are green market and all of the others are deselected. And when there is some of the patterns detected by the Harmonic SAP scanner, you can see it, they are populated here. You can see it is a symbol. Is it green or red, which means a bullish or bearish? Here it is only bad pattern, because I have selected inside the settings only, just a minute, only bad pattern. If you would like to select all of them, simply click this one and select all of them. You will see all of them populated right here, but I will remove all of them and select only bad pattern. And then here you have a time frame where I have selected the time frame, and that means 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. And you have here a status failed or successful or complete. A complete are the ones that are still in trade, so you can trade them, which means the stop loss has not been reached and the take profit has not been reached. Successful means that this pattern has been detected and it has reached first take profit 2. it has not reached the stop loss before reaching take profit 2. Failed means that this pattern has been failed, and that means when the price has reached the entry level, which means potential reversal zone, the price has first reached stop loss. It did not go to the first take profit or second take profit, but it has reached stop loss. So you can see which one are failed or successful, and you can also use this table to make some kind of a analysis based on the symbol or the pattern. Then you have a notification where you can also use the settings, where you can select all the details. You can also use the watch list, which symbols you would like to track, and inside here, whenever there is symbol that you have selected inside the watch list, inside the settings on the different time frame, it will be populated here. So for example, here I have selected that I would like to track symbol GBP against the Australian dollar. I would like to follow that pattern and on the 4-hour time frame. So when the Harmonic SAP scanner detects this bat pattern on this symbol on this time frame, it will populate here this row, and it will send me a message on the Telegram with the link. So when I clicked on this link, I will open the chart with more details, and then I can also make the analysis based on what I can see. If I do the quick analysis, for example, what I have shown you at the start, if this is the uptrend, this should also be a bullish bat pattern, because it is a bearish bat pattern. It is going against the trend, so I would skip this one. Even though the scanner has sent me a notification, I will skip this one because it is not in line with the trend. So after I all check these patterns that has been detected with the Harmonic SAP scanner and send me over the Telegram, I pick the best ones that are in line with the technical analysis and then wait how the price behaves. You can also watch the previous analysis, weekly analysis, and I will show you how this is done and also how many of the successful and failed patterns are there. So for now, if you take the look and also make the analysis, most of the time these analysis, what I'm doing, also the technical analysis, after this bearish or bullish bat pattern has been detected, most of the time they are successful. So with the good risk to reward ratio, you will get much better results. So if you would like to check, feel free to check the previous week analysis and see how the prices behave. This is how you can use this Harmonic SAP scanner. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible to help you understand how to use the scanner in your favor. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.